welcome to this solar eclipse meditation. We shall begin in a couple of minutes. Kindly settle down in a comfortable position, in a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, neither there will be any kind of distractions. Thank you. Alright, welcome once again to this meditation. Let's begin. I would request you to make sure that you're seated comfortably into a cross-legged position. Also make sure that you are in a location where there is not much disturbance, neither there is any kind of distraction around you. December 14th 2020, the final eclipse of the year. We had 5 eclipses this year. This is the final solar eclipse of 2020. Though it is not going to be visible in India because the solar eclipse today is on the other side of the world in the northern and the southern Americas. That's where it will be visible. The eclipse started at 7 o'clock India time this evening and will end around 12:30 to 12:40 AM tomorrow morning, in the next couple of hours. Solar eclipses are always strong because the sun radiates power, energy and life. This new moon or Amavasya is also important because that is being a Monday. It's the Somavati Amavasya. And the new moon is in the house of Sagittarius or Dhanu. Make sure to go through changes. Not necessarily the changes are going to be good. Most changes will be strong, very painful, but at the same time, they will also be life altering and life changing. So get ready to accept those changes. Get ready to face your own karma. We shall begin the session as usual with a prayer, then the Omkar. We shall then go to the Surya Mantra Jap, followed by the ancient Surya Mantra chanting, which will radiate all the warm energy within the body. And being a Monday, and also the importance of Adi Dev or Mahadev for all eclipses and anything and everything to do with yoga, we will end the session with the Mahamrutyunjay Jap. So remember once again to make sure that you are seated in a comfortable position, in a cross-legged position. No distractions, no sounds around you. Let's sit comfortably and right away dive deep into the session. Back straight, shoulders rolled behind, hands as usual into the chin mudra, where you join the tips of the thumb and the forefinger and drop it gently onto your lap. Make sure the rest of the body is comfortable except your spine, which is erect. Close your eyes gently. Keep your chin parallel to the floor and relax. Make sure you have no physical discomfort and you're absolutely completely relaxed there. The eyes gently shut and the eyeballs steady. We will now start slowly and in a very systematic manner. Take in deep breaths, filling up the stomach like a balloon, followed by long exhalations as we contract the stomach. Ensure that your inhalations and exhalations are longer than usual, and shut your mind to all thoughts. Make sure that you pay attention to your breath and observe your breath with your mental eyes as you sit there with your eyes shut. Put an end to the self-chatter with your own self, the self-talk that you indulge within your mind. Put an end to it and pay attention only to the breathing and observe the movement of your chest and abdomen as you inhale deeply to the count of 4 to 5 seconds, filling up the stomach like a balloon, followed by an exhalation of about 8 to 10 seconds as you contract your stomach inwards. Stay put there, relax. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Very slowly you can now soften your spine, relax your back and drop your head down, your chin slightly towards the chest. And gently bring your palms together, rub them together, create warmth in the palms and cup your eyes. Mind you, do not press them hard, just cup your eyes, feel the nice warmth on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes inside and then drop your hands, release and relax. So once again, Namaste and welcome to the Solar Meditation Eclipse session And I thank Fume and Jagannath Das for giving me this opportunity as always. I am indebted to all of you, and let's have a positive and a very warm energy exchange, because this is the solar eclipse meditation. Like I said, though we don't have the direct effect or any kind of effect of this meditation, the eclipse onto us, because it is on the other side of the globe, nonetheless the effects do matter, and of course it is a day of meditation. Monday, the day of Mahadeva. So we shall now begin first with the Surya Mantra, which is Om Reem Ram Suryaya Namaha. I am going to be chanting this subsequently. You are free to join me from the comfort of your homes in this chant. Make sure you're seated into a comfortable asana. You can drop your back, you can relax the back, roll the shoulders behind, hands into the Chin Mudra or the Brahmanjali Mudra, where you drop your left palm within your lap and the right palm on the top, and then you join the two thumb tips together and stay put there. So either the Chin Mudra or the Brahmanjali Mudra. With your eyes shut, we shall begin with the Surya Mantra Japa. Om Hrim Ram Suryaya Namaha. 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 As you keep chanting the Surya Mantra, radiate into the positive and the warm energies of the sun. Imagine yourself seated in the open under a warm sun with the sun rays onto your body. Everything around you is glowing and bright and warm. Experience this, visualize this, and radiate with the energy of Surya Dantras. Om Hrim Ram Suryaya Namaha. You can also take your attention to the Anahata Chakra or the heart region, which is supposed to be the seat of emotions and thoughts. And of course, warm thoughts, positive thoughts, hence coupled with the solar energy. Om Hrim Ram Suryaya Namaha. 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 Om Hrim Ram Suryaya We shall move to the ancient Surya Mantra mentioned in our Puranas. This destroys all negative energies and gives you warm radiation, a warm feeling and positive vibes all around you. It is often believed that during the solar eclipse meditation, it is always advisable to sit under the open sky during the peak period of the meditation and chant the Maha Mrityunjaya Jap. This is one of the most powerful and the oldest japs in our Vedas. This jap not only cures all illnesses, but most importantly takes away the fear of death. We shall now slowly and steadily move to the Mahamrityunjaya Jap, because as usual any form of yoga meditation is incomplete without invoking Adi Yogi Mahadeva. Alright, now we shall move to the Shiva Mudra or the Jnana Mudra, which is joining the tips of the thumb and the index finger together, but this time keeping all the fingers, the rest of the fingers straight. You can either drop the hands absolutely straight with the three fingers pointing to the earth, or you can upturn the mudra in the same manner, or the third way is to soften the elbows, bring it onto the lap, and then turn the fingers to the floor and drop it onto your knees. So 1, 2 or 3, whichever and whatever that makes you comfortable. We are going to begin with the Mahamrityunjaya Jap now.
सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्। 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 उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात्। त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ 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 त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात्
Stay there with your eyes shut and look inwards. We are slowly moving towards the end of the session. Of course, we'll end the session with the positive energies of the Shankhanad. You may now bring your palms together, rub them together, cup your eyes, feel the warmth, and then slowly release and relax. Thank you once again for joining me for this meditation session. The next meditation will be on the 30th of December, which is a full moon meditation. We shall strive to do it under an open sky. It's been raining here today in Pune. I don't know about the other cities, but it's been pretty cold and we've had a very rainy, unusual rainy December day. However, we hope to have a bright full moon on the 30th of December. So do join me then. And once again, I thank FUME. I thank you all. Dharmo Rakshiti Rakshitaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Have a peaceful night and a well-rested night. Good night.